my producing partner, who's also my manager, he has so much faith in me, it's embarrassing sometimes. And one of the things that causes that faith is the booth at the end. He just really thinks it's really good, and I was really smart to figure all that out. And he has faith I'll figure out other things in the future as well. So yeah, you do find your fans along the way, and yeah, and what you really want are the people who really believe in you. And this goes back to what you were saying earlier about like being true to what you want to make. You want the people who don't want to just use you to get their 10%. You want to find the people who really get what you want to make and are going to stand by you when it gets tough. Like, it's complicated to make this thing. Are we making it or are we not making it? I stand by you. We're making it. Great. Now we're making it. You want to collect the people. But here's the key. You only collect those people if you honestly are yourself and make things that are honestly yours, because then you collect the people who are actually honestly attracted to you. I always compare all this nonsense to dating. Always. And if you show up at dates inauthentically and you end up dating that person, eventually it's going to fail because you can't sustain it. But if you show up as a writer or as a man on a date and you're actually yourself and you weed out the people you have no business being with and they have no business being with you, and you actually honestly are yourself, eventually you find the right people because it's honest. And that's how I always approach that hope of finding the right people, by being truly who I am in my work and saying what matters to me most in my work. The people who show up actually care about it, and we go off to make the same right thing together.